Crack! Ever wonder if cracking your knuckles is really bad for you? Let's break it down. When you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking anything. That sound comes from bubbles bursting in the fluid that lubricates your joints. Myth: cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Truth: there's no solid evidence linking it to arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years, and guess what? No arthritis in either hand. So while cracking might annoy the people around you, it's probably not doing any harm to your joints. So go ahead, crack away. Your knuckles can handle it.